power. Let's see the power. The equation of the power given by P is equal to VI, and if we get a positive value for power, it means the power is absorbed, and if we get a negative value for the power, it means that power is supplied. Now let's look at some examples. Let's say we have something like this, and here we have this one contains 2 voltage. This is plus, this is minus, and there is a 3 ampere current passing through this, and the voltage of this one is 2 voltage. Okay, so what is the difference between power supply, absorbed and supplied? Is we have a current, positive current passing through the positive voltage, then we are going to get a positive value that's absorbed. Let's say we have a positive value of current passing through the negative side of the voltage, then that's the power is going to be negative, so it means it's supplied. Now here, what is the power value for this one? If you have a current that's positive value current, and if it's passing through the positive sign, we have to just multiply this one. So this is going to be P is equal to, the current is given by 3 ampere, so 3 times the voltage, that is 2 voltage, 3 times 2, and we get 6. And what's the unit for the power? You can see we multiply voltage by current. The unit for the voltage, SI unit for the voltage is V, and the SI unit for the current is ampere. So you can express this one as voltage ampere, or you can express this one as watts. But watts is better because it's just one unit, and that's the one mostly you will see. So you can express both way, but watts is preferred. 6 watts is the final answer for this one. And let's look at another example. Let's say we have something like this given. We have a voltage given, that is 4 voltage, and the plus minus align like this, and we have a minus 5 ampere current passing through this. Minus 5 ampere current passing through the plus sign. Here what you can do is, to make this one into positive, you can write it in the opposite direction, or you can bring it below as well. So if I do that, this is like 5 ampere going into this direction, 5 ampere, and then we still have the positive 4 voltage current, and this is equivalent, like if the 5 ampere going to the opposite direction of positive, it means it's going in the same direction of negative. So you, instead of writing like this, you can write, you can also draw like this. Let me draw the final one. You know what, I'm going to erase the top part, continue here. Okay, let's continue here. So this is 5 ampere, and we have positive 4 voltage, 5 ampere going to the opposite side of positive voltage, so we can bring that one to the negative side and write in the same direction. So if we redraw this one, this is going to be like in the minus direction. We are going to have a 5 ampere passing through this, and this is still 4 voltage. Now if we calculate power, since the ampere is passing through the minus side, we are going to put a minus in front of it, and then 5 ampere, then multiply by 4 voltage. So that's going to be minus 20 watts, and that's actually 20 watts supplied, because if you have a negative sign, you can say it's supplied. But if you're not writing supplied, make sure you put a negative sign, otherwise it's going to be wrong. So supplied right here. Okay, now let's look at another example. I'm going to erase this one first. Let's say we have a voltage given like this. We have a negative voltage, minus plus assigned like this. This is a negative 2 voltage, and we have a negative current passing through this. whenever you see a problem like this, what you can do is you can rearrange the polarity. Like if you rearrange this polarity of the voltage, like plus, if you put a plus on top and minus, this is going to become positive. So you can do that first. So if we do that, this is going to be plus here and then minus here, and then this one is going to be positive 2 voltage, but we still have the negative current, negative 3 ampere. Now to make this negative current into positive, what we can do is we can write it in the opposite direction. So if I redraw this one and put plus minus here and 2 voltage, and if I redraw this current to the opposite direction, this is going to be a positive current. Now positive current going in the opposite direction of negative, it's exactly same as positive current passing through the positive direction. So you can redraw this one as positive, and here 3 ampere passing through this, and then minus here, and this one is like 2 voltage, right? So now we can, since all of them are positive, we can go ahead and calculate this one. So power is equal to voltage times current, and voltage is 2 voltage and the current is 3 ampere, and that's 6 voltage ampere, or you can express as 6 watts. And since the power value is positive, this power absorbed. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next